Hello everyone, my name is Jaditya and I have made a robotic arm. It is a 6-axis robotic arm which consists of six servo motors. It has 3 SG90 servo motors and 3 MG996R servo motors. It has a IR sensor which when it detects human, it gives a signal to the servo motors which contracts with the robotic arm and closes it. And I have used a pulse sensor which gives the signal to the Arduino, and the Arduino displays it on the LCD screen. If we use Node MCU, so we can give the signal directly to the doctor's PC. Now let's see it's working. Now as you can see, the output is being displayed on the LCD screen. And it reacts with my motion too. As you can see, now I have connected a Node MCU which can transfer data through Wi-Fi. I have connected a pulse sensor so that it can transfer the data to the doctor's PC directly. As you can see, the data is being transferred to the PC. Thank you.